To add a global filter, you have to go to the My Setting option. Under My Setting option, you will get a global filter tab selected, and there will be data sources available. All of the data sources that are added in the particular account and the domains that are available in the data domain option. To add a global filter, first of all, you have to select a flag for the global filter and start selecting those sources which you want to add in the global filter setting. Similarly, we will add some domains as well. And once you click on the save button, the global filter will get selected and it will be functional on the data uh, asset listing pages, home page, and the enterprise search. So we will start checking its functionality one by one. So now we will move to the enterprise search. If you search for the keyword master, the global filter will get applied automatically on the sources tab and the data domain tab. And these filters will be applied across all of the tabs for columns, terms, and reports. If I update the keyword from master to item, similarly, the tab will get updated, and the item search keyword search will also be updated for other tabs as well. If we on global filter setting, the sources and data domain tabs are common tabs. For data domain filters are the common tab. Once you select any data source, that would get applied across all of the tab as well. As you can see, on tables, ADLS raw has also been added. If we clear the filters, it would get clear from all of the tab as well, because data sources and domains are the common filters. But once I start a new search again from the enterprise search, the global filter would get applied again. Now moving to the next functionality of global filter, listing pages. On listing pages, global filter will be applied automatically on the top on data sources in domains column. As you can see, a filter by row is available. It's showing the count of the sources which are applied in in my setting page, and similarly the count of data domain that are selected for the global filter. I can also apply the source. I can also apply the data filter on any particular column as well, and that column will be available on top as well. To remove the filter, I have multiple option, a clear all option, and to remove individual filter, I can use this particular remove icon. So if I remove this, the global filter would get applied on the sources and domain as well. Similarly, on other listing page, you will get similar result against the applied global filters. I will continue the last part of the home page application of global filter in the part 2 of this video. In the previous part of global filter, as you have seen, we have selected some data sources and data domains from my setting page for the global filters. Now moving to the last part of the global filters homepage alert section. On homepage alert section, when the global filter settings are enabled, only those alerts will be shown that are selected in the global filter data sources and data domains. Let me show you by example. If I go to this particular table, which is from the Amazon S3 source, I update this particular table and save changes. Now, when I go back to the global filter home page, as Amazon S3 source is not available in the global filter setting, it will not be shown under the alert section because it is not selected. But once I go back to the global filter setting, add Amazon S3 in the global filter and click on save button. Now if I go to the home page and refresh the page, the customer alert will be shown in the alert section of the home page. Now moving to the my setting page, how to turn on and turn off the global filter. To turn on and turn off the global filter, you just have to select a flag on top, which for data sources and for data domains. For data sources, if I want to remove the data sources from application, click on uncheck this flag and click on save button. Now on enterprise search, listing pages and the home page, the data sources will not be selected or will not be filtered. Result will not be filtered on the basis of data sources. Let's check it by applying the search. As you can see, no filters are getting applied for the sources tab, for the sources filter, and for tables, column, and same for the model and report. Similarly, to remove the data sources from to remove the data to global filter from data domains, I have unchecked this particular flag and click on save button. Now when I go to the data dictionary listing pages, I will not get any filters against the listing pages. As you can see, no filters are getting applied. To reapply the filter, I just have to check mark this particular flag and I can add this particular source as well. Now when I refresh the listing page for data dictionary, I will get filter applied by default for the data sources. Now it is showing me 8 filters are applied and ADLS curated, which I have applied recently from the global filter setting. It is showing in the hover effect as well. Thank you.